Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andalusia, Greenville, Broughton, Evergreen, Laverne, Flomaton, East Broughton, Georgiana, Brantley, Mackenzie, River Falls, Castleberry, Red Level, Rutledge, Gosher, Heath, Gannett, Glenwood, Pollard, and Riverview. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Alabama and northwestern Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Butler, Conecuh, Covington, Crenshaw, and Escambia.
The local stop on radar.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for northern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gonzales, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, paced around 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Point Baker and Rowville around 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Escambia, and Santa Rosa. The severe thunderstorm